Do you like to eat delicious food? What of these sandwiches do you like best? So I'm looking to options and my ingredients are already on the table. Delicious and fresh buns, one with butter and another with spicy mayonnaise. One with avocado, light salty salmon, such a fresh and tasty and flower decoration, and another one with salad, boiled shrimps. Also I add in cherry and black olives. Beautiful and light start of day. Tell me what kind of sandwich more tasty looks for you. And bon appetit!